First, switch to the root user. Creating a user called Jump Cloud. Assign a password to the user using the --password command. The user Jump Cloud belongs to the primary group called Jump Cloud. Switch to the user and check for package updates and see the outcome. You will get a warning that the user does not have elevated privileges to run it. To assign a user to the sudoers group, switch back to the root. Confirm the user accounts that belong to the wheel group. Once again, we will attempt to check for package updates. No error messages indicate that we have successfully created it. Lastly, if you want to remove a sudo user, you can run the gpasswd command to remove regular user from the wheel group. Notice that the user now only belongs to its primary group.
Please subscribe and check out more content from us.